Today we're talking about agency with our kids and really just how to better promote independence and decision making through choice. The truth is, choice is a key factor in cooperation for all of us, right? Our kids are no different. Think about it. Are you more excited to visit a restaurant you've chosen or one that's been chosen for you? And once you get there, would you rather order your own meal or be force-fed someone else's dinner? Believe it or not, this is why agency is so closely linked with cooperation. It's really hard to perfectly comply to a request when we haven't even been invited into the decision-making process. So whenever possible, offer your kids these three major choices throughout their day. So the first is the choice of circumstance. Now, the choice of circumstance allows your child the power of choosing when or where to complete a task. So, for example, you could ask, do you want to eat your dinner outside on the deck or inside at the counter? Do you want to visit grandma before the dentist or after the dentist? While circumstantial choices seem really minor to you, they are monumental to your child. For someone who rarely gets a say in the daily details, being given the opportunity to offer input boosts your child's sense of pride and autonomy and independence. Now, the second is the choice of control. The choice of control allows your child the power of choosing how to complete a task. So either independently or with help. Repeat this magic phrase. Do you want me to help you, or can you do it by yourself? By giving your child the choice of control, you're offering him or her both the trust and the opportunity to practice an independent skill apart from you once they're ready. Now, the third is the choice of capacity. So the choice of capacity allows your child the power of choosing what task to complete. Like, do you want to put on the red pants or the blue pants? Do you want to feed the dog or the cat? Just as you and I have different preferences on different days, so too do our kids. So the next time that you're thinking of offering yet another command throughout the day, just pause and ask yourself if you can instead give your child a choice, either of circumstance, of control, or of capacity. Trust us, the more you get the hang of it, the easier it becomes, and the happier everyone is for it. I'll see you guys soon.